What are skilled trades? Well, my students went and found out, and you can too. Skilled trades are jobs where the workers have received certifications or qualifications in those positions, or possibly gained on-the-job experience to further their education in a certain area. What are those areas that are in demand? Well, we have welders, brick masons, construction equipment operators, tractor trailer drivers, crane operators, carpenters, wind turbine technicians, HVAC technicians, nurses, diesel techs, home inspectors, plumbers, electricians, boiler makers, mechanics, and many, many more. But those are just some that are in the top 20 of the most needed skilled trades workers at this point. So my students went and looked at what is out there and what they could possibly make into a career for them going forward in the future.
Very uncomfortable. The interviews are horrible. I can't stress that enough. I never was never really good at interviews. I think that my job now.
Your average veteran door that you get in an arts is probably $100 to get a decent license door.
We want to give a big thank you to Staff Sargent Cody Vantiger with the Iowa Army National Guard for setting up this Skilled Trades Expo, for inviting us down, and for a fantastic learning opportunity for our students. Thank you so much.